What's up guys, and welcome back to quackbuilder.com. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a membership site to sell your digital product. Like that being said, let's get into it. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right here where it say funnel. Okay, the last time I show you guys how to make a membership site, but I show you a different way, and this time I'm gonna show you how you can turn your website into a membership site fast and easy. Okay, so this is the easy way to do it, okay, in the Quack Builder system. Okay, so like that being said, as you can see, the main page is there. We have a checkout page. I just added this checkout page, so don't pay these two checkout page, no mind. I did these two in the last video. We only working with all with this one, this one, this one, and the members area now. Okay, so we need to get customer to the members area when they make a purchase. Okay, and you can do that by sending them an email, or you can do that by let them register, and so on and so forth. Okay, once they get to the thank you page, you should explain how they're gonna get access to the members area. Okay, like that being said guys, let's finish this video up. Okay, so as you can see, I had this checkout page, and as you can see, I already customize it, and I already implement the product inside of it. Okay, so I'm gonna still walk you guys through exactly what I did to create this membership site. So what I do is I have to, choose. If you don't have a members area, you have to click here and say new page, and choose one of these templates or themes, but I suggested you to choose one with a video. Okay, so you can build out your membership site like this one. If I click preview, you can see have a video right there, and you can duplicate the videos to build out your membership site. I will do one of that video, how to build out your membership site, membership area, in another video. Okay, but this is what you do: you choose one of this theme with a video. Okay, alright, like that being said guys, let's continue. Okay, so when you created that page, when you choose that theme or template, all you have to do is come over here to the template you choose and click on that little thing right there and click show, and then you rename it to members. Okay, and when you rename it to members, you click members only right here. It's gonna set to public, but come down here and then you change it to members only. And once you choose that, you can choose also a group, a members group. Okay, and these group is basically different levels of subscription that you can sell. Okay, so if you have a higher level of course, you can say, okay, you have a basic level of course, you have a pro level of course, and you get the idea. Okay, and so I'm gonna click confirm, and I'm gonna also show you how to add a membership level group. Okay, so you can place your course in different level. Okay, and then if I click save, when I click save, I'm gonna have the members area right there. Okay, and you see this little button is to add an upsell. If you have an upsell, you can add one by clicking that button, and then when you make a sale, you can see upsell and downsell right there. It's gonna tell you if you upsell sell or you downsell sell. Okay, but I'm just gonna go back. Okay guys, and then after that, after you do all that with the After you add your membership, your members group, you're gonna create a product. Okay, so to create a product, you have to create a members product. Okay, so you have to click store, and then when you click store, you come here and say add product, and then when you click add product, you go add, and then you're gonna click on membership. Okay, because you're making a membership um, website, so you click membership, and then you can add a title, say okay, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Then you can write a description right here, say okay guys, I'm just gonna leave it as that. Don't want this video to be too long. And then you had the the picture of the course right here, the product picture right there. You click select right here that it said members group. You're gonna click there and you're gonna select if it's a basic or a pro. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to add another level inside of here soon, but let me choose pro for now because I already choose one in basic. Then I'm gonna click confirm, and then you can see it's right there, and then you can give the price, say $55, $55, or you can put it on sale if you want and say $55 but now for $1, something like that. It's all depends on the sale price you want to put there. And then you can add a screws if you want, and if you want to make it subscription so they keep paying every month, you have to click this box right here, and then you say ongoing payment, and this every month, you can see right there, and you say submit, and then when you click that, you have to add it in a category. Okay, and if you don't see your category in here, all you have to do is click this button, and then you write the category. Okay, but the category is already here, so I'm just gonna click that one, and it's two categories because weight loss and earth. I'm just gonna click those two, and then as you can see, this this product is already done. Okay, you can ask for additional question if you want. No, additional information, sorry, if you want, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So basically right here, when it said this button right here say show thank you page, this is what we want to show, the thank you page when they make a purchase. Okay, so once they make a purchase, when we click this link and say yes, we want to show thank you page, and then we're going to go to the funnel because we make our thank you page in the funnel. Remember I was showing you guys in the funnel, and then you click that, and then when you click that you say thank you page. Just click the thank you page. Okay, and then when you click the thank you page, you just click select, and then when you click select, then you click save. Okay, alright guys, and then as you can see, our product is created. It's a easy weight loss tips. Okay, and as you can see, we have it on sale for $1. Okay guys, and then like that being said, we finish make our product, we come back to the builder. Okay, first I'm gonna show you guys how to make the, I'm gonna put it back big, I'm gonna show you guys how to add and membership level. So you go to engagement, and everyone that make a purchase is gonna come with their email in here and the level they, on the level of course they buy. Okay, so that being said, you come over here to the left hand side and click add. Okay, and then you can say you can add, say, you can add another level. Okay, I'm just adding a random level, but you know your niche, you can add whatever level you wanted. Okay, and if we go back in store, and then if we go to product, and then we go back to edit that product, and we go to select members group, you can see professional is in here as well. Okay, so that's the way you had your level in here, so you can have basic, pro, professional. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it as pro. I just need to show you guys because there's a lot to learn about the members side of the builder. So once I do that, I just gonna go back to the builder, and then I'm gonna click the funnel, and when I click the funnel, I gotta go to the checkout page that I created, checkout 2. When I go to the checkout page, I just gotta put that product that we created inside of the checkout side of this widget, so it know what kind of product to sell the customer once they put their information in. Okay, so if I click product right there, you can see right here it said what kind of product I want to sell. I can do the checkout cart if I want, or I can just do the digital side of it. Okay, and I'm just gonna click right here to head it, and as you can see, we put weight loss, easy weight loss tips. That was the product we just created, so we select that product right there, and then we click confirm. Okay, and now that we click confirm and click save changes, now everything is good to go. Okay, so right here you should be able to see another picture. All you have to do is put the product picture in here, and then you write the information about the product, the benefits about the product, and 30 days money back. Always leave this the 30-day money back guarantee, so you don't scare your customer away, because customers love when they see that they have no risk. They love that. Okay, so they have option to get their money back if they don't like whatever you're selling. Okay, and like that being said, guys, if you have any testimonial like already from your book or from your course, you can put them here and just save it. Okay, guys, and then once you do that, your membership site is ready to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna come back down here. So when I come back here, remember we choose the thank you page. So when they click this button, when they put their information and click and they make a purchase, they're gonna go to this page, say the thank you page. Remember we choose that page, and then when we're creating the product, and then after we do that, we're going to come to our thank you page and click here, and then we're going to put the link in and say members, no, go to funnel. We're going to go to funnel, and then the next step is for them to go to the members area. Okay, and that's how you created a full um, membership site with Quack Builder. You can see this is done. This is a full membership site now, so we get them to our members area once they purchase, because they have to come here, and when they purchase they go to the thank you page, and when they go to the thank you page, have the link for them to go to the members area. And that's how we make a membership site in Quack Builder, guys. So let me see if I go view. Oh, just gonna view the thank you page because that's a page I'm on. I need to view the entire page, so I'm just gonna go to the landing page, and I'm gonna click view. Then I'm gonna click show, And when I come here and I click this button, it should take me to the checkout page. And then once I get to the checkout page, I put all my information in, and then when I click it, it's gonna take me to the thank you page right here. Oops. It's gonna take me to the thank you page. I'm not gonna put my information in right now because I don't want it to charge me, because my this website is like set up for payments and I don't want it to charge my card. So once you get to the to that and you click, it's gonna go. Once you put in all your information, it's go to the thank you page, and then your thank you page. Once you go to the thank you page right here and click this link, say create your account, it's gonna take you to the members area, okay? And that's the way you're gonna get your full membership site making Quack Builder. Like that being said, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment or you shoot me an email or something. I would be happy to assist you. If you wanted this service or if you wanted the membership side of the builder onto your website, we will happily here to assist you. We have a full team that can assist you do so. If you can't do it yourself, we can do it for you. So please let us know, comment, like, and share this video. We're trying to make more people become web designer on the internet or all over the world. So please share this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.